my gosh, a Santa Fe caboose. A double your pleasure video. It's 3:35 p.m. Saturday afternoon, June 3rd, 2023, Lockport, Illinois, not far east of Joliet, Illinois. This is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Chillicothe Subdivision, originally the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway, known as the Southern Transcon. Milepost 33 is just behind me. First, we saw what obviously is a local freight. It looked like an EMD 4-axle unit. Maybe I can tell the road number and put the model of the locomotive in the description, but the real gem was the Santa Fe caboose bringing up the rear of the covered hoppers. So that was a local eastbound. I think there's a cement plant or something not far east of here. Then we saw an eastbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway intermodal train, probably heading to their Corwith intermodal terminal in the Chicago area, not east of here. Possibly coming from Long Beach, California, Los Angeles, Richmond, California, Dallas, Texas. Again, Lockport, Illinois, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Saturday afternoon, June 3rd, 2023, over and out. 83 degrees Fahrenheit today, over and out.